Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, log in your Google Cloud Console in incognito window and come on to the task number 1. So we have to activate the healthcare API. Come on to the Google Cloud Console. From here, left side menu, click on this all product. Then scroll down a little bit and from this analytics section, search for healthcare. So we have got the healthcare here. Click on this healthcare. Okay. So now simply enable this API. Click on this enable button and wait for some time. Okay. Now we have to create the data set. So just simply click on this create data set and for name, come on to the lab instruction page. From task number 1, point number 3, copy this name, dataset 1, paste it here. And for region, for me, it's US East 1. So I will select US East 1. Okay. Now simply scroll down and click on this create option. Okay, so if this creating takes time, so don't worry, uh, leave it task number 1 for now. Let it be creating. Now come on to the task number 2. For task number 2, click on this navigation icon and from IAM and admin, open this IAM in new window, in new tab, I mean. Okay. Now for task number 2, we have to search for uh, cloud healthcare service agent. Okay. Now click on this checkbox, include Google Cloud Provider role agent. Check this tick box, close this unwanted pop-up, and scroll down. We have to search for this Cloud Healthcare Service Agent. Scroll down a little bit. You will get this here, Cloud Healthcare Service Agent. Now click on this Edit Principal icon, and now click on this Add Roles. Come on to the lab instruction page and copy this BigQuery admin. Now click on the select role, search it, paste it here in search box and hit enter. And select this first option, BigQuery admin. Then again click on this add another role. Again come back to the lab instruction page, copy this storage object admin. Click on this select role, paste it here and hit enter. Select this first option, storage object admin. Then again scroll down, click on this add another role. Then again copy this healthcare dataset administrator. Click on the select role, paste it here and hit enter. Now again select this first option, healthcare dataset administrator. Again scroll down, click on this add another role. Then copy this PubSub publisher. Now paste it here, hit enter. And select this first option, PubSub publisher. And now simply click on save. Now the policy has been updated. Come on to the lab instruction page and you can simply click on this check my progress for task number 2. You will get the green tick. If you are not getting the green tick, then simply click 2 to 3 times on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Because lab takes time to update the score. So see, we have got the green tick here. Now again, come back to the cloud console. Come on to this dataset healthcare. Yes, now see, this dataset 1 means dataset has been now created. Okay, so sometimes it takes some time to create the dataset. It now this dataset 1 is now created. So we have also done with the task number 1. Come on to the task number 1 and simply click on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Now for task number 3 and 4 and 5, simply come onto the cloud console and activate this cloud cell. Click on this continue. Then authorize. So come onto the lab instruction page, click on this task number 3, copy this code and paste it here in cloud cell and hit enter. After that code get executed, come onto the task number 4, copy this first code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay. Then again come back to the lab instruction page, copy the second code, paste it here and hit enter. Wait for some time to get this code executed. Okay, wait, we have got the error here. So let me try again. Okay, this time we have successfully created this pops up topic through this second number code. Now we have done with this task number 4. Click on this check my progress for task number 4. Task number 4. If you also face error sometime, no need to worry. Just again copy this code and paste there and hit enter. You will get the code will executed successfully. So now for task number 5, scroll down and copy this last code. Copy, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, we have thus done with this task number 5 also. Just click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Okay, so we have got the green tick here also. This means that we have completed with all the tasks for this lab. Okay, we have completed this lab 100%. Now you can simply end this lab from here. And if you have any doubt, just let me